Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. Today we've got an unboxing. That's right. We've got a unboxing of a LINUS TECH tips. We got one of their desk pads here. I want to send a huge shout out, thank you to one of our team members, Tim, for bringing this to my attention. As you guys know, these things sell out like hotcakes, but we're able to secure one of these. I'm pretty sure they sold out that day. I might be wrong on that, so don't kill me on this. But we have a unboxing for you guys here of LINUS TECH tips. One of these desk pads, man, and these things are sweet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. As always, guys, we'll have links in the description down below so you guys can check everything out. That's most important. Please do your own research. But there's some different sizes of these that you can get. Our other team member, Tim, he got one of the more keyboard and mouse pad size ones, about yay big, probably about like the yay size. We went for the large and in charge one. We have not cracked this box open yet. We've had it sitting here for quite some time. I'm waiting to get this unboxing going. So we're really excited here to kind of show you guys this. But like we said, in the description down below, we're going to have links so that you can check all this stuff out. But yeah, here we go. Let's see what we got. Once we ordered this, it took probably 7 to 10 days for it to actually get here. Our other team member, he ordered it the same day as us. His got here a little quicker. Like I said, I ordered this a couple hours later, so I'm just sure we got later on process. That's all I'm saying here. So came in a pretty nice box, no damages or dings or anything like that. Rumor has it came from our friends up north in Canada. So, oh, look at this, guys. I am so excited. You guys know I love stickers, and it came with a nice set of LINUS TECH tips sticker patches. Guys, that is such a nice surprise. We definitely did not order that. So, it's got the packing slip in there and everything. So that is pretty exciting. If you guys like this kind of stuff, give us a thumbs up. If you guys like LINUS TECH tips, you're like LINUS TECH tips gear, you got some other swag from his or other stuff like that, please let me know. But we picked up this LINUS TECH tips. We picked up the Northern Lights desk pad, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys here in just a second. But once again, I cannot believe that we got this sticker pack. Huge thank you to LINUS TECH tips, the store there, for sending this out. This was definitely a bonus. So let's get into this a little bit farther. I know you guys want to see what this looks like here. Oh, and by the way, you can see this nice desk here. This is the workstation here where we do everything out here at the GPU mining farm. Not everything, this is just my workstation. So this is going to get displayed here with all of our YouTube videos and all of those kinds of things. So LINUS, if you see this, man, let us know what you think about this pad out here. Packaging and such, guys, very impressed. No damages or anything like that. And from what I can tell, that's pretty cool. That's a cool box. Comes in a mat just like this. So we're going to go ahead and look at that, guys. Wow, that is beautiful. So we'll go ahead and kind of pick it up here a little bit more so you guys can see it. But this has been an unboxing here of the LINUS TECH tips. This desk mat. We went ahead and got one of the, like I said, one of the larger ones. These things sold out pretty quick. It is going to sit just like that. I was hoping that it would be the perfect size, and I am impressed. LINUS TECH tips, thanks for having this. This is freaking sweet. This is going to get all sorts of different use, and what I mean by different uses, we're going to do work with GPUs, ASICs, taking things apart, putting things together, all sorts of great stuff. You guys, man, like, oh my goodness, I love this kind of stuff. So, huge thank you to LINUS TECH tips for sending this out. We're going to go ahead and take you to their website here real quick so you guys can see a little bit more on this. But yeah, guys, this has been an unboxing of that LINUS TECH tips, LTT.com, that Northern Lights desk pad. In the description down below, we're going to send you over there to that. Oh, look. What do you know? It's been a minute, guys, since I've been on the site, but right there it says free sticker pack with orders, so that's pretty cool. In the description down below, we'll have links to everything so you can see LTTstore.com. But yeah, he has brought Sexy back. They've got those boxers there, lots of other fun things. But like we were showing you, we picked up one of these desk pads here for out at the GPU mining farm, and we are freaking excited about that. We could not be more excited about it. Linus, if you see that, we love your show out here at the farm. The guys are watching it all the time. We really appreciate everything that you guys do. We love the store here. Just keep, only thing we could say is keep the stuff stocked, because I know there's a lot more people besides us. But like I said right there, free order with every order. Hey, I didn't even know it, guys. I just ordered this right away as soon as possible, as soon as Tim, one of our team members, showed us there. So that was an extra bonus. Hey, like I said, guys, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. I love stickers. I love free stuff. If you want to send it, comment down below. Let us know what you think about this video. Give us 2 thumbs up. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit that subscription icon in the upper right-hand corner. But there it is. The LINUS Tech Tips Northern Lights desk pad. That thing is sweet. I really love the quality of that. I think that's going to hold up really well with all the work and all the fun stuff that we do out here at the GPU mining farm. So, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner, and this has been an unboxing of the LINUS Tech Tips, that Northern Lights desk pad. There's all sorts of different versions of that, all sorts of different sizes, so make sure you head over there to LTTstore.com and check that out. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.